Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, first off, you get to see how long my hair's grown. Look at that. It's crazy. It's super long. I haven't worn my hair straight in a while, but I did a straight hair tutorial to test out the new Masters Collection 1.5 infrared flat iron for you guys. This is also from Croc, and my discount works on this as well. So during this month, you could use Chloe60 and get yourself 60% off of anything regular price on the Croc website. So if you're looking to purchase a new flat iron, highly suggest this one, and you'll see why in this tutorial. So let's get right into this tutorial and you can see how I achieved this very sleek, beautiful, shiny, straight look. Hello and hi. So today I have something very exciting and new. This is a new flat iron from Croc. This is from their Masters collection. My first time ever trying this. I've heard it's comparable to my Ride or Die, the new classic 1.5 infrared. Same kind of technology. It says it's perfect for color treated, natural, and coarse hair. Has infrared technology, which detoxifies and sanitizes your hair while reducing heat damage with every pass. And the infrared stimulates hair growth. Black titanium plates provide effortless glide, and pure ceramic heaters create instant heat recovery. All right, so I just took it out of the package. It has like rose gold details on it, which is really pretty. Same infrared technology right there. And then you turn it on just like the new classic infrared. Really long cord as well. So same way, you turn on the infrared, you press the start button twice. I'm gonna bring this down to 320 and we'll style my hair. So you see those infrared lights. Can you see them come on right there? They're blinking. Let's get this hair straightened. I'm gonna straighten my hair today just to show you guys how well this straightens, how quick it does, and we are almost to temperature. There we go, we're right there. Okay, let's go. So just to let you know, I let my hair like 80% air dry and then I just ran the blow dryer through my hair real quick. Nothing special about it. So I'm gonna take very thin, flat sections of hair and then we will just glide that down. All right, works pretty good. There's no skipping on this flat iron at all. It just literally glides effortlessly down the hair. Some flat irons that you use, like they kind of do skip. This one also, oh, some of my hair fell out. This one also doesn't pull my hair at all. It's just gliding through. All right, moving on to the next section. I know a flat ironing tutorial can be kind of boring sometimes because I think everybody knows how to flat iron their hair, even though sometimes I think people put too much heat on their hair. They take way too big of sections and like thick sections and try to do it like not sectioning your hair. And I highly suggest sectioning your hair so that you don't put too much heat on your hair. Also use low temperature. You do not need super high temperature to achieve straight hair look, especially if you get this flat iron. Really saves you in the long run with heat damage. All right, that looks great. Very shiny still. Love it. And then I kind of add like a bend to the end right here, just so it like curves into the hair to combat the flip out at the bottom. Honestly, I don't see much difference in between the two. I think it's because I'm so used to the feel of the 1.5 new classic that this just feels the same in my hand. So I feel like I know how to operate it really well because I'm so used to the design element of it. Yeah, this works fantastic. Look at that, it's so nice. No flyaways, no nothing. It's just straight, sleek, beautiful hair. So let's see, what part do I want? Probably right there. Yeah, that looks good. And then we will straighten the rest. Okay, so this is my hair flat ironed with no styling, just straight. If you like super straight hair, hello, this flat iron is for you. Like sleek, 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 shine. So obviously I like my hair to be teased. I like body in my hair. So I'm gonna add some tease into this just to finish off this style. And so I'm just gonna take my teasing comb, brush up my hair in the back, add some tease right at the root, ruin all the pretty glossiness of this hairstyle, but it's just my personal preference. I like body in my hair. You can add some dry texture spray or hairspray too if you'd like. I usually add it at the ends. Okay. So then I go in with like a brush like this and just brush down. All right, so not too much tease added in there, but just a little bit. There we go. All done, just beautiful, shiny, sleek hair. So if you guys actually want to purchase this, I have a code for 60% off, and that code is Chloe60. So you can use that and get 60% off of this flat iron and enjoy it for yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial helped you understand a little bit more about this flat iron if you were thinking about purchasing it. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.